Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new video. So today we are going in the waterfall, so which is called Shaktikhor Waterfall. If this fall down, it's gonna be a very big problem. So I suggest to have at least a couple of breaks in the middle. And this place is looking very lovely, so you can see the scenery. Lovely place, and this is a little bit challenging. We need to go like this, jumping. This is a little bit risky, challenging, like a monkey jumping here and there. So if you see over here, very clean water. So this journey will take a minimum 1.5 hours just for the climbing, and this place is actually very lovely, and you can see some of the houses. They are built in the middle of the hills, so I'm not sure you can see here or not. And on the other side there is a river flowing that you see on the crossing. Oh, lovely. So it's gonna be really tough, challenging journey. So all my gym workout that I have done will come out and see my real strength and stamina. Oof, oh my god, very swampy and hot weather that you can see here. That's why it will keep you much more dehydrated. So if you come in the summertime and when you are going for the trekking, make sure you carry enough water before you start the journey. So if you go up, I think someone has built a shelter to keep the firewood and all the tools they work in the farm. So this one is over here, farm, and this place is like very scary. So you are just in the middle of the hills. Crazy, man. What a lovely view. Ooh. So there is a rice farm in the middle of this hill. So someone has planted the rice over there. So this is amazing. So there is a rice farm and or paddy. So just on top of it, it's a very big, massive mountain. Lovely. Oh. There is another thingy that we need to cross. So we're gonna cross from here. So oh, look, so many waterfall. I hope it will not. I think this is a public toilet. They have built it, but I don't know why they put a rock, so just to block it. Oh man, look, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. The toilet is fucked up, so I don't know what's going on here. So they have blocked the toilet and everything. No one is checking after this toilet. No any maintenance. So I don't know. They put a big rock just to block the door. Whew. Very swampy and sweaty, and there is a lovely, what that called the thingy. There is a wooden log. Before I think it used to be a bridge. So amazing. Whew. I'll just rest a little bit and drink some water. So this water looks yellow because I put electrolytes inside, so it will keep on hydrating to me. It has magnesium, sodium and all the electrolytes items that I lose during the sweating, so this is gonna be my powerhouse source of my hydration. So I think now the temperature must be around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius, so before it becomes dark I need to head off from this place and move to the waterfall because I need to go back home, so it's gonna be the same journey. I think this journey is never finishing. Look, everywhere you see lots of trees and mountains, so in between of this nature, so it will make you feel like how tiny part of this universe you are. What a lovely. I think someone has done camping here and they have thrown all the bullshit rubbish. Look, and you can see there is some of the small very tiny fishes that you can see or not. Look how the people are stupid. They have thrown rubbish everywhere. Crazy. So this is not the waterfall, it's bigger than this, so we're gonna cross it. Look, there is a very tiny house in the middle of this hill, and everywhere is surrounded by the forest. There is lots of bamboo tree. And it's been so much exhausting. And crazy. I want to keep on hydrating by drinking water, but it's not even working. So I think most probably I need to cool down my legs or body by soaking in water. Oh, look. It's very, very warm. I'm going to just keep my body and leg cool, so it will drop my body temperature. Honestly, wow, such a lovely. Woo! Amazing. I want to stay in this water maybe half an hour, but I need to complete my journey. Oh my god. Ooh, lovely. Look, I look so tiny in the middle of the mountain. Amazing. If you look here, so this is a rice seedling. I think they have just planted the rice over here. So, and on the other hand side, so you can see this is a very, very old traditional way, and this is for the farming. So usually this is like what's that called, the traditional tractor, or you can say it's a plow basically. So this is old traditional way per the um, blowing the field. So usually this is kept straight like this in a straight position, and this is handle where the person control it and put it very very hard, and this is for the ox, the buffalo or the cattle. They were put in the middle of here, their neck, two ox together, and here they usually tie the with this plow like this, and then they will start keep on walking, and the guy who is controlling, they will try to press it down so it will dig much more deeper in the land. So in this way they do digging for the planting of the field. So this is the main metal part, which is very very crucial for digging, so that it will start making the suitable for the vegetation. I just saw there is like a type of cave, so I think they have made a shelter just to sit over here, but I'm not sure. It's already dripping, so this looks a little bit scary. And I don't know who built this ladder or staircase, so this look insane. Look, so this is like what's that called, the thingy. It's completely straight vertical, so I don't think anyone can climb over there, or is it broken from there? I'm not sure. So just to go up more. So the ladder was over there, and I don't know what is the reason they make it very vertical. I don't think anyone can climb over there. So there is a tree broken over there, so here we go. I'm not sure it can fall. Oh my god. Wow. So on the way I meet one friend. So here is a goat, so that is walking. So I'm not sure whether it is domesticated or it's wild. Hello. Oh, it keeps on hiding. Oh, oh, it's going. Ah. Hello. Look, it's hidden. Oh, I need to let him go. Bye. Very, very exhausted. I need to have a mini break. Even this water is very warm. So this is very wild journey. Because of the humidity, the more you go up, sometimes you feel like you're having the altitude sickness, so your ear will be like a tin, yeah, sometimes. And the best advice is, if you are traveling like a very very long journey or a hill, so I suggest to have at least a couple of breaks in the middle, because your body needs a rest. Otherwise when you get fatigued, so there is no one gonna help you to take down or the closest shelter where there is a human civilization unless you want to get help. So it's going to be very, very hard. Therefore, we need to save the stamina, we need to save the energy, but we also need to keep on moving our destination. So it's a very, very like a tricky situation currently because I'm completely exhausted. Look, my clothes is completely full of sweat. Oh my god, the humidity is so high over here. The nature is obviously beautiful, but yeah, it's a very, very humbling situation because in front of Mother Nature you are nothing. Wow. Whew. So yeah, honestly, um, almost I have burned maybe 300 calories plus just climbing this one. Plus I'm sweating a lot and dehydrating. I need to cool down and decrease my body temperature. Otherwise I can faint. Whew. So I'll just keep on waiting over here. I'm having a mini break. Delicious, lovely. Ooh. So just behind me is a very big hill. Wow. Everywhere. So this is the waterfall that we came so far over here. There was a guy, he was charging some of the money just to come to this waterfall, and I don't know was it legal or he was doing by himself, but I denied to give him the money. And he was telling that he will look after this place and collect the waste and garbages to me, and but look, this crazy part, there is a full of filthy rubbish. What a shame. This is the waterfall that we came. So I'm going to take shower, and it's very, very chilly. Oh my god, the water. I think I'll just ruin my mic, but I'm gonna put my mic somewhere else. Very cool shower. Oh my god. So the water is coming very fast. We are going to take shower in that place. Maybe I'll not fall down. So good luck for me. Bakit ako namitay na? Bakit ako namitay? Wow, this one is very, very wide. Okay. Look. Woo! Yes, the waterfall is carrying me. Ah! Oh my God! Look. If this fall down, it's gonna be a very big problem. Finally. Very, very wide. Let's. I'm going to take shower. It's getting very, very dark and very windy, so we are heading home. So we need to go as soon as possible because the weather and climate it gets changed instantly. Look how dark it is. It's raining, that's why I'm taking shelter in this house because there's lots of stuff and electronic items, so it will get wet, so I don't want to start my journey. I just wait and make sure the rain stops. Look, lovely. Delicious. Oh. So we are ready to go home, and if you like this video, subscribe this channel and hit like button. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.